Before we begin, a few important words. This recording is intended for relaxation, personal development, and general well-being. It is not therapy, it is not medical treatment, and it is not a substitute for professional care from a licensed healthcare provider. No specific results are promised or guaranteed. Every person's experience is unique, and what you take from this session is entirely your own. If you are dealing with a medical condition, a mental health concern, or are currently receiving treatment of any kind, please continue to work with your healthcare provider. This recording is meant to complement your well-being, never to replace professional guidance. Hypnosis recordings, while effective for many people, are not a replacement for working one-on-one with a trained and highly skilled clinical hypnotherapist. If you are dealing with a specific issue and would like personalized help, I invite you to visit phobiafree.life and schedule a free consultation with a certified clinical hypnotherapist. Before we begin, this recording contains hypnosis. Please do not listen to this while driving, operating machinery, or doing anything that requires your full attention. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can simply relax, undisturbed, for the duration of this session. If at any time you need to be fully alert, you can simply open your eyes, take a deep breath, and return to full waking awareness immediately. Find yourself in a comfortable position now. And you don't need to do anything in particular, just allow your body to settle the way it naturally wants to when given permission to simply be still. You might notice the weight of your body against whatever is supporting you right now. And isn't it interesting how you never really noticed that support before, and yet it was always there? Your eyes can remain open, or they may find their own way to close, and some people find their eyes closing almost before they expect them to, and that's perfectly fine, because your unconscious mind always knows exactly what it needs. With each breath you take, you don't even have to try to relax, because relaxation isn't something you do, it's something you allow, and your body already knows how. Perhaps you notice a gentle heaviness beginning in your shoulders, or maybe it starts somewhere else entirely. It doesn't matter where it begins, only that it spreads slowly, naturally, the way warmth spreads through your hands on a cold day, without any effort at all. And as that comfortable feeling continues to deepen, your mind may begin to drift a little, the way it does in those moments just before sleep, when thoughts become softer, less urgent, more like clouds passing than anything requiring your attention. You don't need to follow every word I say. In fact, your unconscious mind is already doing exactly what it needs to do, and your conscious mind is welcome to rest. With every breath out, just a little more comfortable, a little more settled, a little more yours. And when you're ready, we can go somewhere quite wonderful together. Here's something remarkable about your body. It has the ability to completely restore itself, to recharge, to reset in a very short amount of time, not hours, minutes. You've experienced this before, a brief rest that somehow left you feeling better than a whole night of mediocre sleep, a 20-minute nap that felt like it gave you a brand new day. That wasn't a fluke. That was your body doing what it's brilliantly designed to do, restoring itself with remarkable efficiency when given the right conditions. And the right conditions are simpler than you might think. You don't need perfect silence. You don't need 3 hours. You just need permission. Permission to let go completely for a few minutes. And that's what we're going to do right now. First, I'd like you to find a feeling. Think of a time when you woke up from a short rest feeling incredible. Not groggy, not sluggish, but genuinely renewed, like someone had plugged you in and recharged your entire system. Maybe it was a nap on a Sunday afternoon. One of those accidental naps where you closed your eyes for what felt like 5 minutes and woke up feeling like a different person. Or maybe it was resting your eyes during a long trip, and when you opened them, the world looked sharper and brighter and you felt ready for anything. Or your own time, your own memory of waking up restored. Find that feeling of renewal, whatever your word is for it, and let it come into your body now. The feeling of waking up refreshed, waking up clear, waking up with more energy than you had before you closed your eyes. Good. Hold that feeling. We're going to use it. But first, we need to go down for a little while. And by a little while, I mean your unconscious mind is going to do an enormous amount of restoration in a very compact amount of time. Like a pit crew at a race, they don't need an hour to change the tires and refuel. They need 90 seconds because they know exactly what they're doing, and your body knows exactly what it's doing. So let yourself go down now. Imagine there's an elevator, a beautiful, quiet elevator, and you step inside, the doors close softly, and you begin to descend. And with each floor you pass, you go deeper, not into sleep exactly, but into that place just below the surface of waking, that rapid restoration zone where your body does its best work. Passing the first floor now, and you can feel your body getting heavier, your muscles letting go of the tension they've been carrying, your jaw softening, your shoulders dropping. Second floor, deeper now, and your mind is beginning to quiet. The chatter of the day, the to-do list, the emails, all of it is staying up there on the surface. You're going below it now, into the quiet. Third floor, and something interesting is happening. That feeling you found, that feeling of renewal, it's getting stronger the deeper you go, as if going down is actually charging you up. And it is, because rest is where power comes from. The spring is at the bottom of the well, not the top. Fourth floor, very deep now, very still, very quiet. Your body is working rapidly now, restoring, recharging, renewing, with a speed and efficiency that might surprise you later when you realize how good you feel. Fifth floor, and you're there, at the bottom, the deepest, most restorative level. And your body is doing what that pit crew does, everything it needs to do, quickly, expertly, completely. You don't need to supervise it, you don't need to help it, you just need to be here in this quiet, powerful place and let it work. And you could try to stay aware of what your body is doing right now. You could try to monitor the process, yet the harder you try to watch, the less you can see, because this kind of restoration happens below the level of conscious awareness, like a computer running updates in the background. You don't see it happening. You just notice afterwards, that everything runs faster and smoother and better. So just rest here now, in this deep, quiet, powerful place. Your body knows exactly how long it needs. And every second here is worth 10 seconds of ordinary rest. Because you're not just resting, you're recharging. Like a battery connected to the most efficient charger ever designed, which is your own body, doing exactly what it was built to do. And that feeling of renewal, it's building now, building with every moment you spend at this level, getting stronger, getting brighter, like a light that's slowly being turned up, not yet at full brightness, but getting there, getting ready. And now, imagine this. In a few moments, you're going to open your eyes, and the first thing you'll notice is that something has shifted, something has been restored. You'll feel clear, sharp, alert, like someone has wiped the fog off a windshield and suddenly you can see everything in high definition. That feeling of renewed energy will be immediate, not gradual, not slow, immediate, like flipping a switch, like opening curtains in a dark room and suddenly light everywhere, bright and clean and energizing. And this is going to stay with you, not for 20 minutes, for hours, because what your body just did in this brief, deep rest was not superficial. It went all the way down. It recharged something fundamental, and that charge is going to carry you through the rest of your day with a clarity and an energy that might genuinely surprise you. Now, in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And you'll have a choice. You can rise up through those floors quickly, easily, and open your eyes at 5, feeling more refreshed and energized than you have in a long time. Or if your body tells you it needs more, you can simply let go of my voice and drift deeper into a full natural sleep. Whatever your body chooses is exactly right. 1. Beginning to rise now, energy starting to flow back into your body, like a sunrise beginning at the horizon, the first spark of light. 2. Coming up, feeling lighter. That renewed feeling is getting stronger now, brighter, more vivid. Your mind is beginning to sharpen. 3. Halfway up, and you can feel it, that clarity, that alertness, rising through your body like a wave of clean, bright energy. Your fingers might be tingling. Your breathing is changing. 4. Almost there, feeling refreshed, feeling recharged, feeling like you've had hours of rest compressed into minutes. Everything is brighter, sharper, clearer. 5. Eyes open. If you're choosing to wake, fully alert, fully refreshed, fully recharged, take a deep breath in and feel that energy ignite through your entire body. You are awake, you are clear, you are ready. Or if you chose to stay, you're already drifting deeper, and that's exactly right too. Sleep well,